360 here means 360 degree. So we can look at the example on the right side. This is the question 1A. Yayasan Cepaka is a non-government organisation focusing on disabled children. They have a total of 1,200 registered volunteers as of December 2018. The table below classifies the volunteer according to the region. Region Northern have 250 volunteers, Southern have 180 volunteers, Eastern have 150 volunteers, Central have 380 volunteers, and lastly, Borneo have 240 volunteers. Construct a pie chart to represent the information. So from the table, we can extract certain information to make our pie chart. So for the frequency, we will just take the number of volunteers for each region, and the total frequency has already been given on the question itself. A total of 1,200 registered volunteer. Then we just plug in the number. So for the northern part, for the northern region, 250 divided by 1,200 times 360 degree, we will get 75 degree. 180 volunteer divided by 1,200 times 360 degree, we have 54 degree. 150 for the eastern region divided by 1,200 registered volunteer times 360 degree, we will have 45 degree. 380 divided by 1,200 times 360 degree, we will get 114 degree for the central region. Lastly, 240 divided by 1,200 times 360 degree, we will get 72 degree for the Borneo region. So this is the pie chart that I have constructed from the previous calculation. We can see that each part have different color for to signify different region. Next, we will solve the question 1B. For the question B, the number of journals read per semester by 20 final year college students is given below. 18, 15, 18, 21, 10, 8, 19, 15, 11, 20, 12, 12, 15, 17, 21, 20, 15, 13, 15, and 11. So the first question is to find the mean, the median, and the mode for the above data. So from the data, we can say that we can assume that it is a single frequency data. So for the to find the mean, we will have to use the sum of x divided by n. So what does the x and n mean? The x is the value of the sample, and n is the number of sample taken. What I mean by that is for the sum of x means we have to add 18 plus 15 and 18 plus 21 until 11. So after that, we will divide by n. So n we can get on the question the number of journals per by 20 final year college. The 20 is the number of the sample taken. So we can plug in the number and we'll get the mean is 306 divided by 20, which equals to 15.3. Next is for the median. To find the median, because the tot because the now because the number of sample is 20, so it is an even. So if it is even, we will use the formula in bracket total of two numbers in the middle divided by 2. We will list out all the data in an ascending order. So then we will find two number of the middle, which is 15. So so then we will plug in the number 15 plus 15 divided by 2. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So our median is 15. So what about mode? Mode is the value with the highest repetition. So in this data, we can say that we can say that the value with the highest repetition is 15. 15 is repeated 5 times in the data. So the mode is 15. Next, to answer the question to Roman, what explain the meaning of the value of the mode obtained. So what does the mode of 15 mean? It means that the value 15 is the most repeated value in the sample list. Thank you for listening. That will be all from me. Have a great day.